Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, off-road running boards, tow hooks, and so much more. Come check it out. We're moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, comfortable storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. You're gonna have these 0-degree off-road running boards here as well. And onto these seats, these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents as well as your drive mode selector and lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 and black paddle shifters. Onto the odometer here, as you can see, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your fuel economy, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance, as well as the hitch cam. And you got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa and My Chevrolet as well. Below that will be your lane keep assist and auto stop next to your hill descent control equipped to the Z71 package. And below that will be your integrated brake controller next to your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side there. You got the center console, you got the new shifter, lots of extra storage, as well as a wireless charging pad, an AC wall port, and 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable. You got the wood and chrome all the way across as well with the Z71 all-weather liners. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment here. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStart SOS, and your power rear sliding window. You got these 20-inch blacked out wheels on Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. You got the Z71 badging with the 2-tone hood scoop and Duramax badging as well. The black mirror caps, the black keyless entry door handles. You get your Trail Boss badging as well with the black corner step bumper, dual exhaust, the trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. You see the model tube shocks, as well as the multi-flex tailgate with the grab handle, 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall charger, and around 12 bed tie downs. The very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior. You get more paneling and storage next to the speakers. Comes up to the power windows with the wood and chrome again. You got lots of extra leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation and USB ports, as well as right in the center, cup holder and armrest. You also got storage behind the seats, storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as Bridgestone all-terrain tires, adaptive cruise, spray bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.